First time registration of your Cirkud Android TV box is simple. Select your language. The software will take a few seconds to download your selected language. Once your language is downloaded, click on Register on the next screen. You can also log into your existing account if one is already created. On the registration screen, enter your email address. Enter a unique username that is easy to remember. Enter your password. Write down your username and password, and store it somewhere safe. It will be required again to activate additional Cirkud Android boxes, or when a hardware reset is executed. Enter the order number received in your email when your order was placed. If you are unsure of your order number, contact the retailer from which you purchased your device. Device name can be entered here or on the sign-in page. Click on Register. Enter your username and password. Click on Login to complete the registration. Give your device a name. The device name allows you to easily identify your device on your home network. This completes registration of your Cirkud Android TV box. The next video demonstrates how to customize your device.